Well, welcome back everyone, back to the Crafty Hook. Again, my name is Nona, and I am the creator of the channel. So today, as stated, it's just a little whip and chat. Just kind of wanted to check in with you guys, see what you're currently working on. How was your Christmas? Did you get some nice gifts from the family, Santa? We had a really nice Christmas, and we had a couple people over, friends and family, had a nice little dinner, things like that. So it was kind of nice. Just kind of a relaxing day. Just kind of we did a little bit of reorganizing Christmas morning before family and friends showed up. And kind of got all that done. Kind of moved some stuff around in the kitchen, dining area, as you've seen on the previous video I did, where I kind of showed you all a little bit of what we have done so far in the remodel. So today I had a little bit of time and just kind of wanted to sit and chat, see what everyone was up to. Like I said, what you're working on. Today I'm actually working on a little different blanket here. Kind of created this pattern myself. It took me a couple of tries, but I kind of like the way that it actually come out so far. I'm not sure if I'm going to turn this into a blanket. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to make it into like a pillow cover for a pillow that's in my room as a decorative, kind of like throw pillow. I have a really long body pillow and can't seem to find any of the pillowcases that fits it. So not sure if I'm going to put this over it yet or not, but just kind of sitting here this morning, relaxing, working on my project and that. And I'm still working on the other blanket for a friend of mine, the two-tone blanket, for those of you that has seen that video. If not, definitely go back and check it out when I first started it. But it's coming along nicely. I've actually gotten quite a bit done here. The darker color I did in the double crochet, and then the lighter color and a half double crochet, and just kind of worked my way. There's two different types of blues, and then kind of a bluish purple, I guess, on here. So slowly making progress. I need to try to have this done by the end of January, first week of February. I guess I thought her daughter's birthday was in January, but actually it's the second week of February. So still got a little bit of time to get that done. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. But this one here, I kind of threw this one together. I don't like to waste, as that saying is, waste not, whatnot. I guess that's how it's said. But a lot of like leftover yarn when I'm working on projects, I don't like to just throw it away. I like to kind of create something else out of it. So that's kind of what I did with this pattern. Kind of like this here, I had a small roll, kind of threw it in there. And then I had a little of the red, and that kind of blended it in there. So kind of a psychedelic kind of looking thing. But that's what I'm working on. So, what are you all working on today? Are you working on a new crochet project, loom knitting, painting, diamond art? What do you all like to kind of do on your craft days? I'd like to just hear from some of you, or all of you, of what kind of crafts that you like to do, what you're into. Also, I'm kind of curious who all is watching. Where are you from? If you want to leave a comment below, kind of tell me, what state you're from, if you're from a different country, where, things like that. I'm just kind of curious where my videos are reaching out there. So if you don't mind, please just leave a comment below. Let me know where you're from, what you're working on, or just say hi. So as I asked, did you all have a nice holiday? Did you get some nice gifts, stuff like that? On Christmas Eve, I was actually kind of surprised on Christmas Eve. The hubby had to work a half a day, of course, and he came home a little earlier than I expected with a surprise. And I was kind of shocked because I figured the presents I was getting was all under the tree. But he came home with a surprise and had walked in the door and handed me those. Really, what a nice gesture. So sweet. So yeah, he walked in with a dozen roses and said, "Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed your day. Sorry I had to work half a day." And of course, I understand it's part of life nowadays. But yeah, it was a nice little gesture, and I was kind of surprised. And he said, "You weren't expecting us, were you?" And I said, "I know. I figured all the gifts were already put under the tree or given already." So yeah, he said he was just thinking about me while he was working that day and thought he'd surprise me with some flowers. So that was nice. And of course, I can't forget about my little sidekick over here. She's not too happy with me right now because I have my yarn on the couch and in her spot. And of course, when I move it, you'll see what she does here. She's just patiently waiting. "Mom, please move it out of my spot." So yeah, there she goes. I cleaned out the spot and now she's gonna figure out where to lay down at. So yeah, she's my funny little sidekick here. She always likes to be around Mom and Dad. We have one friend of ours that comes over and visits sometimes, and she just adores him. She gets up there, loves all over him, and they're just the best of buds. But that was a little bit of my holiday. And then that was Christmas Eve. And then on Christmas morning, we got up, opened the gifts, of course, as usual, and kind of just sat and enjoyed company, coffee, things like that. Had a couple of friends stop by in the morning, handing gifts, exchanging gifts and that. And then I went in and started on dinner, and it came out pretty nice. Everybody had actually enjoyed that. And then I would say probably around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon was when everybody else showed up with gift giving and exchange and stuff, and just had a really nice day. Just kind of enjoyed conversation and having friends and family around. And, you know, Christmas in our family, we have a couple of different things that we do every year, and it actually started back with my grandparents. On Christmas Eve, the kids always got to open one Christmas Eve gift, and usually it was like pajamas and slippers, or we'd put like a little box together with hot cocoa, marshmallows, and they got to go in and make their own hot chocolate, put marshmallows and all that good stuff in it, and sprinkles. This year we didn't get, our kids didn't get to come because, of course, the way everything is out in the world today, so they weren't able to come. But we did video chat. We did get on the phone and we all video chatted. That was nice. Got to watch my granddaughter open up her Christmas gift. She was all excited. She had just turned 14 and got a new cell phone for Christmas. So my daughter said she was really excited about that. So I was excited for her also. But that was kind of nice. Kind of did a little video chat with the kids and the grandkids, and so yeah, it was a really nice holiday. And then now we got New Year's right around the corner, but I don't think we have any plans for New Year's yet, but I'm not sure. My hubby kind of likes to surprise me just out of the blue on certain things, you know, going out to dinner or things like that. We did drive around Christmas Eve night. We drove around and kind of checked out some of the decorations all over town. That was pretty neat. There's a little house over here. He decorates his house every year, and he puts his whole yard is nothing but lights. And he really overdid it this year. We actually, you get to park your car, get out, and walk around his yard and check out the little animations and things like that. So that was pretty neat. Kind of had hot chocolate and just kind of walked around. And then the zoo, no, it's not the zoo. It's down by a river. It's like a riverfront or whatever. They had a light show down there, and we drove through, and that was pretty cool. And of course, I forgot the camera and was kind of upset about that because I would have liked to videotape it and show you guys. So, but just sitting here working along, trying to get all of my projects caught up. I have a bad habit. I start working on a project, and then I slowly kind of get bored of it, set it aside, and then I find another pattern. Oh, that one's really cool. I got to do this one. And I start on it, and then I'm thinking, Nona, why in the world are you doing so many projects at once? But I just like to stay busy. I mean, either up and doing stuff around the house, crocheting, loom knitting, my diamond art, all of that. Speaking of diamond art, I do have a mystery kit coming, and I have to touch base with them today because I'm hoping the order went through right. But I have a mystery kit coming, so I'm really excited. I think there's like 3 or 4 that's going to be in this package, and I'm so excited I'll be able to do another unboxing of that with you guys, so I'm looking forward to that. But just sitting here kind of enjoying, I mean, just listen. Do you hear that? That's right. You don't hear anything. Absolutely quiet, peaceful, and I'm enjoying it. So I thought let's take on that opportunity, sit here and do a video with you guys, and work on some of my projects in the peace and quiet. So again, one other thing I did want to talk about, like I said on the last video, I want to start doing some videos on like picking a pattern and going, you know, like row by row, step by step, and that for all of you, especially the ones that had emailed me that are beginners and really want to learn how to crochet and loom knit. I want to do a pattern step by step with y'all and kind of see how that goes, kind of teach you some new stitches, stuff like that, and take it from there. So I'm going to be putting those out, so definitely keep an eye on that. If you're new to the channel and this is the first video you see and you're just like to come and follow me along on my journey, I do a lot of different projects and I like to share that with you, tutorials, what I'm working on all my crafts. I do diamond art, crochet, loom knitting, I do just a bunch of different crafts, and I like to show you guys as well, gardening, stuff like that. I don't specifically stick to just one subject. It is all crafting, but I like to share it all with you as well. So if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button, and you're welcome to come and follow me along and learn some new stitches, crocheting, and just sit and have a nice little chat. But I'm definitely getting pretty far on this project. I think I only have a few rows left, and I think I am going to possibly turn this into a pillow cover, see what it looks like. And then when I get that finished, if it turns out the way I'm planning, I'll do another video and show you guys how that turned out. But it's mainly just, this one here is mainly just a double crochet all the way around. And then as you can see here, I just kind of did a fancy little design all the way down. And then there is kind of the center of it there. So yeah, just kind of started working at it, and I thought, I wonder if I could take this pattern bigger and bigger, and row by row, and just add it onto it, and that's kind of what I came out with. Well, y'all, I hope that you enjoyed the WIP and chat today. As I stated, I'd really like to hear from some of you what you're, excuse me, I'd like to hear from some of you what you're working on, what kind of projects you like on the crafting part of it, where you're from, who's watching, where you're from, things like that. So feel free to leave a comment below. I'm just kind of curious. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you all on the flip side.